Alright, so this is how to remove it. So you can lift this little tab, you can spin it. It spins forwards. When the arrow lines up with this part, you just pop it out. Pop out the chair. And the base is pretty easy. Pull this tab up. So pull this up. And the seatbelt just goes through down here. So undo the seatbelt. Seatbelt comes out. This comes out. Oh, this is tethered in up here too. And then to put it back in, it's the opposite. So let's see if I can. Seatbelt through here. Hook it in. Tuck it in down here, and then you push this down till it clicks. So it'll turn. See, it's red. You push it down, it's tight enough, it turns green. And then grab the seat. Put this back in. And then you gotta, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but just gotta line that up with the arrow, and then it drops in. And spin it back around. So you gotta pull this, load them in, spin around, locks in place. Pretty easy. Let me know if you have any questions.